Hey everyone, so basically in today's GFG POTD we have a problem here, median of two sorted arrays, and as the problem given here, given two sorted integers array 1 and array 2. Here we need to find the median of two sorted array 1 and array 2. So basically in this problem, as we can say here, by the example first here, we have two array 1 and array 2. Both these arrays are like sorted array. As we can see here, array 1 contains the element like 1, 2, 4, 6, 10, and the elements contains array 2 like 4, 5, 6, 9, 12. So here in this problem it is saying that we need to merge these two sorted arrays, and the whatever the arrays element we actually getting, we need to find the median of those array. Like for example here, if we merge this array 1 here and merge array 2 elements, then we get this arrays after sorting, and then after that what we have to do, we need to find the median of this particular array. So as we know very well, to find the median of any uh, any elements, we need to focus on the sizes. That means if it is like having even number of terms, then we have to return n by 2 minus n by 2 plus n by 2 minus 1. This is the formula to find the median of the even term elements, and if we have to find the odd term elements for the case of median, we need to simply apply n by 2. So this is the particular example here, and similarly if we are talking about example second here, so this is the array 1 elements 1, 12, 15, 26, 38, which is like sorted array. And if you're talking about array 2 elements also, then it is like 2, 13, 17, 30 and 45. So after merging and sorting, we get like 1, 2, 12, 13, 15, 17, 26, 30, 38 and 45, which is like I think it is even numbers of element. As if we can see here, this is like 10 elements here, so we can simply applying the median operation or median formula for the even term. So we get like n by 2 minus 1 plus n by 2. So once we do applying this formula, we get like 15 and 17. So after summing this number, we get like 32, which is like our median for this particular array. So we need to solve this problem with an expected term complexity of order of log n and expected auxiliary spaces like order of 1. So basically this is the question which is like asked in Amazon and saw, and this is basically an array and divide and conquer approach, binary search approach. Okay, so we can also solve it by using different methods also. Now how I'm going to solve it here, my approach is simple. Here this is my data type int, and this is like my function name sum of middle elements, which taking the parameters of like vector type vector int array1 and vector int array2. So basically here this is my functions which basically taking the two vectors array1 and array2. Now what I have to do basically here for solving this problem, my approach is simple. I have like this is my array1 and this is my array2 according to the example 1. What I have done, I have like resize the array 1 elements. Like here I have like increased the size of an array 1 and simply inserted the elements of array 2 inside the array 1. Like we can say here like till here, like this is like we can say that array 1. Now after that I have like resized, that means increase the size of array 1 and simply insert all the elements of array 2 inside the array 1s. And then after it we need to, and then after that I have like sort it. After sorting, I get this elements which I have like written in green color, and before sorting it is like 1, 2, 4, 6, 10, 4, 5, 8, 9, 12, which is like unsorted. After merging this two, two sorted array, we got this particular array, but after sorting we get this one. Finally we have to simply do what, as we can see this is like even numbers of terms, so we need to simply applying this formula for the median. And as we can see this formula, so we got here like 5 and 6, so we have to take the sum of this 5 and 6 and we need to simply return it. So this is the thing. Now what I have to do first, by this example I can say first of all like we have to merge this element. So for merge, first of all we have to define like the size of array1. Okay, so array1 dot size we can say here, and then after that what we can do here, let's say if I'm defining a data type int, and then variable n is equal to array2 of size, as we have also taken. Now once we have taken the size of array1 and array2, we have to like resize, that means increase the sizes of array1. So for increasing the sizes of array1, what we can do here, we need to like resize array1 dot resize, and by what size we have also already like defined here, that means by m plus n. That means we require the size of m plus n size. Okay, like once we have like created an array with like increased value, now we need to insert all the elements of array2 inside the array1. So what we can do here, basically for doing this thing, we have to traverse it and take all the values of array2 inside the array1. So here I can say that int I is equal to 0 and I is less than like array2, as we have to take the sizes of like array2, and then I plus plus, then we need to take inside the array1. So array1, and by what position, or we can say by what index. So we need to start from this position, that means from index 5, as as array1 already contains elements like 1 2 4 6 and 10, as we can see here also, and as we know very well that it is already inserted. So we need to insert the array2 elements from the index 5. So we need to simply write, first of all we have to define the sizes of array1, that means it is already there, and then we need to start it from the ith position, and we need to insert array2 of I. Like once we have inserted all those array, once we insert array2 elements inside the array1, we got like this, we get like 1 2 4 6 10 4 5 8 9 12. Now this is like before sorting, we got this array. Now what we have to do, once we have like these things, we need to like sort it. Okay, so what we can do is sort array1 dot begin. Okay, as it is of vector type, so here we need to simply applying sorting operations, and then array1 dot end. Now once we have done this thing, we finally got this particular array, which is like sorted array. Now we actually like nearly about final position. Now once we have like get this array particular array, what we have to do, we need to simply applying median formulas. Okay, so here I can say that like once we get the final array, we can simply apply median formula or median operation, we can say that. Okay, so what we can do here, I can define here like if but before that, let's say if I have to define the sizes, because here we need to define we need to discuss about the terms. That means if like the terms is like even, then we have to apply the formula for like n by 2 minus 1 plus n by 2. And if we can say that if the like term is like odd, then we can simply turn like n by 2 term. Okay, so here I have defined like, let's see if I'm defining a term. Okay, so term is equal to array dot, or we can say that size is equal to, we can say that array1 dot size. Okay, now we have taken the complete sizes of this particular array, whatever we actually getting. Okay, we are taking the complete size of an array, and then after that what we can do here, we have to say here if size modulus 2 is equal to 0, that means we can say that if it is like even, if term is even, or if size is even, we can say if size is even, we need to apply the formula for n by 2 minus 1 plus n by 2. So we need to simply return, array1 of size, divided to minus 1 plus array1 of size is divided by 2. Okay, or if it is like odd number or odd number of terms, then we can simply return else we can simply write if size is odd, then we can simply applying the formula for like return array1 of size is divided by 2. Okay, now once we have done these things, now let's compile and run. So yeah, my compilation is completed. Let's try to submit it. So yeah, it's submitted. So yeah, that's all for the today. Thanks for watching.